Identify the layers of the TCP/IP protocol suite and list one function for each. Application supports protocols HTTP, FTP, SMTP. Transport ensures reliability TCP/UDP. Network handles addressing/routing IP. Data link frames data, handles MAC addressing. Physical transmits raw bits via cable/wireless. Explain two differences between satellite networks and sensor networks. Satellite long-distance/global uses microwave links, high coverage but high latency. Sensor local/industrial, interconnected via LANs, efficient but limited range. Explain two reasons why TCP/IP became more widely adopted than the OSY model. TCP/IP developed with ARPANET, tested in real networks. Open, flexible, industry-driven, faster adoption versus OSI being theoretical/slow. Question 2. Describe the four combinations of data and signal conversion with one example for each. Analog data, analog signal, AM/FM radio. Digital data, digital signal. Ethernet, LAN. Digital data analog signal, modem using QAM. Analog data digital signal, PCM, in VoIP or CDs. A hospital is deploying a new communication system that connects MRI machines, patient monitoring devices, and administrative servers. Explain two reasons why fiber optic cable is more suitable than copper cabling in this environment. Fiber transmits photons through glass, unaffected by EM1. Immune to EMI generated by medical equipment, up to MRI. Supports high-speed data transfer for medical imaging files. The hospital Wi-Fi faces unstable performance. Identify two environmental factors that can reduce wireless reliability. Interference from other medical devices emitting radio frequencies. Thick reinforced concrete walls blocking signals. If the fiber installation is delayed, recommend one alternative wired medium and two reasons to justify your choice. Alternative: shielded twisted pair. Justification: shielding minimizes EM1 in medical environments. Lower cost and easier to install than fiber. Explain the difference between Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Zigbee as radiated media in terms of range, data rate, and power consumption. Media range, data rate, power consumption Wi-Fi. Long range, approximately 100 meters. High data rate, gigabits per second. Higher power consumption, Bluetooth. Short range, approximately 10 meters. Moderate data rate, 1 to 3 megabits per second. Low power consumption Zigbee. Medium range, approximately 10 to 100 meters. Low data rate, approximately 250 kilobits per second. Very low power consumption. Using an example of a citywide ride-hailing service, for example Grab, Uber, identify and explain the involvement of all four types of networks, PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN, in supporting its operation. Driver's smartphone connected to Bluetooth with GPS device or hands-free headset. LAN, company's internal office. LAN, to manage dispatch servers and employee systems. MAN, high-speed metro fiber linking local data centers and ISPs for real-time transaction updates. WAN, global internet/WAN, enables communication between riders, drivers, and international cloud servers. Question 3. A manufacturing company relies on LANs to operate assembly lines and manage sensors/robots. Discuss two advantages and two disadvantages of using LANs in this environment. Advantages: high speed, low error communication for real-time control. Resource sharing, printers, storage, software. Disadvantages: high setup and maintenance cost. Network failure may disrupt production if centralized servers are affected. Explain the 6-stage process of an incident response. preparation, backups, procedures, detection and identification, recognize and classify incident. Containment. Limit damage, isolate systems. Remediation, fix vulnerabilities, remove threat. Recovery, restore normal operations. Review, learn lessons, improve future response. Differentiate between IDS and IPS. IDS, Intrusion Detection System, monitors traffic and generates alerts, but does not block traffic. IPS, Intrusion Prevention System, placed in line to actively block malicious traffic. Explain the 3 types of network testing used before deploying changes. Load testing. Simulates heavy usage to confirm system can handle expected demand. Sandboxing. A sandbox is an isolated environment where you can experiment with changes or potentially dangerous software without exposing sensitive resources to risk of damage. Regression testing ensures new changes do not negatively affect other systems or features. List 5 major phases of cloud migration. Assess, plan, migrate, validate, manage.